Sri Lanka. Name Sri Lanka Mynah. Sri Lanka Grackle. Scientific name Graculptilogenys. Tribe Passeriformes. Holmes. Tribe Etalagu. Family Sturnidae. Background. Two species of birds endemic to Sri Lanka can be seen belonging to the Sharika genus. Sri Lanka Graculptilogenys and Sri Lanka Sturnis albifronlatus are both known by the alias name of Sri Lanka malcavadia. An Silalinia is a native bird of Sri Lanka since ancient times. Silalinia is also praised in Pura Samandish caviars and it has also been used in mission work. Because of this endemic bird without debate, all official records and lists prepared from 1880 to the present have introduced this bird as an endemic bird. Classification. In Sri Lanka, there are two species of houseflies. Common Mynah, Acridophores trizild. Everyone knows the familiar mine species. Dark blackish brown. The beak is yellow around the legs and eyes. The head is black. When flying, a white spot can be seen on the wings. Spread in all parts of Sri Lanka. Hill Mynah, Grackula religiosa is similar in appearance to the Sri Lankan hill mynah, but it does not have a pale color. The yellow beak and feet are not orange. The head has two pairs of widely spreading yellow lower flowers. Widespread in all areas, but rare in wet zone forests. Identification. A bit more than a mine. The large Sri Lankan lizard is about 25 centimeters long. The beak and pair of feet are shiny black. There is a pair of yellow underbelly on the neck. The beak is yellow and the sides of the head, and you can see a pair of yellow underwings on the neck. Because of this, the Sri Lankan Silalinia can be identified very easily. Body barely. Has a metallic bluish tinge with shiny black petals. A white mark can be seen on the trailing edge of the wings. The head should be black. There is no difference between a bird and a cricket. Behaviors. They live in pairs and can sometimes be seen in herds of 4 to 6. Lives in the high biodiversity areas of the humid zone. The lower level of the forest can never be seen. Hopping is customary when walking on the ground. It can also be seen in parks and gardens in areas close to wetland forests. There is a special ability to sing sweetly from the treetops. Any voice can be imitated. A powerful flyer due to its long and wide wings. It has an innate ability to quickly learn the pronunciation of words, so it can also be seen as a pet. Food and population. Fruits and small nuts are staple foods. They are very greedy for eating the juice of the fruit seeds of banyan, bow fruit, fig and nutmeg trees. They are extremely frugivorous birds. Abhijathana. The breeding season is twice a year from January to May, and the second season from August to September is the breeding season. A nest is created in a tree 7 to 15 meters above ground level for laying eggs. Grass fibers and leaf litter are put into the tree bark and the nest is prepared to keep the eggs. The ladybird lays 2 to 4 eggs at a time, 23 millimeters blue with brown spots. Distribution and habitat. Lives in humid tropical rainforest areas and high mountain areas up to 6,000 feet. Inhabits the lowland rainforests, the districts on the western and southern sides of the mountains, and the foothills of the dry zone on the eastern slopes. Often seen in Hortonthana, Canalia and Ratnapura areas. In addition, it is found in all parts of the island. Situation. Since the past, being a domestic animal and catching lizards for trade has threatened its existence. Due to the destruction of their nesting areas, due to the destruction of forest areas, the loss of their nesting areas causes problems for breeding. The Sri Lankan falcon has been listed in the Red Data Book by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (LUCN) as a threatened bird.